Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Elementaryos and its review. So let's get started. First, open any browser and search Elementaryos, then click on first site. At first glance, you might think that this is a paid operating system, but it's completely free. Just click on custom and type 0, then click on download. If you want to know about Elementaryos and its system requirements, watch my last short video whose link will be in description. Now our Elementaryos is downloaded and we will boot it into a USB. I am going to use Rufus for that. Open Rufus and select the ISO file and USB. Then click on start. It will download some files due to Linux interface, so make sure you are connected to internet and then it will format the USB and copy the ISO file. Well, this was pretty fast compared to other operating systems. As you can see that our bootable USB is now ready. So just plug this into the PC in which you want to install Elementaryos. Open boot options on start whose function keys are shown on screen for different brands and then select the USB. This is how your screen will look like. Then it will check all the files before starting the installation, which is a really good thing. Now just select your preferences. You can either try it or install it. I will install it, but you can also try this if you don't want to erase your data. Now select the drive in which you want to install it and click on erase and install. It took about 5 minutes and then restart the PC after removing the USB. On start, it will again ask for language and keyboard layout. You have to create an account by setting up username and password. You can't keep your account unprotected, which is good for security. Then it will ask you to enter the password and we are on desktop. There are many customization options which you can select according to your preference. It looks really good at first glance. Let's open any website like Google. Now let's open music. There is nothing in here. Let's see some settings. In system, you can see our operating system, which is Elementaryos 6.1 Yonir. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I don't know why, but it feels pretty slow. Now let's open the store. So this is the reason why it felt slow, because it was searching for updates and there are many pending updates. I will just install operating system updates for now. Let's see some apps. As we can see that there are very few apps and majority of them are paid. I will wait for this update to finish and then see if there are any changes. Now after installing the update and restarting, I can say that it's pretty smooth now, but it still has a long way to go and especially a large library of apps. So this was the installation and review of Elementaryos. I hope my video was helpful to you, and in my next video I will tell you about a very good OS for low-end PC. So subscribe the channel to not miss out my next video. Thanks for watching.